How to add location on Facebook story. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is obviously you have to open up your Facebook and make sure you are logged in with your account where you want to add your story. So that in the left hand side you will be able to see create story option. So tap on that. So here you have to select the story that you want to post. After that, in the right hand side you will be able to see the sticker option in the upper section. You have to tap on that, and from here you will be able to see the location option. So simply tap on location, and here you have to search for the location that you want to enter in your story. After searching for it, you have to simply tap on that, and by doing that you will be able to add the location to your story. If you are unable to find this feature in your device, then the simple thing you can do is you have to go back to your home page and open up your Google Play Store. From here you have to tap in the search bar and search for Facebook. If there are any updates available over here, you have to update the Facebook, due to which you will be able to use the feature. And by following this simple step, you can put location on Facebook story. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.